Sorry? Yes, please. My lord,
I appear for respond number 1 and 2, that is the bank.
yes, yes.
I for respond number 6 and
May I take your lordship to the MSMED? I probably your lordship may not have occasion to deal with MSMED, my lord. Yes. Yeah, copy.
before my learned friend starts, can I make a preliminary submission, your lordships? For the same relief as sought in this present petition, a writ petition was filed before the apex court. The apex court has rejected that by an order dated 3rd. I will produce that order. Order dated 3rd of January
3rd of January 2025.
I don't have a copy of the writ petition because that was not served upon the bank. Yeah. I'll just go. All similar ground. My learned friend will confirm whether that was there or not. A suit has also been filed before the Honorable City Civil Court, which is pending, where almost similar reliefs have been sought, your lordship. These are the copies of the claims in the suit. But the issue is arising from the action taken against under the SURFACE Act. There is an alternative jurisdiction. He has not approached the BRT, but all other courts, your lordships. So my preliminary objection is that alternative forum is available, and my learned friend's client should approach the alternative forum first and make this whatever grievance is there. Today, out of 4 properties, 3 immovable properties and 2 movable properties, we've already sold 2 immovable properties and 1 movable properties. 1 property was put for auction. That auction has failed. That IA is pending. That IA can be disposed of. I can put in a reply and place all these facts on record by way of an affidavit. And at the time of admission of the present petition, the petition can be disposed of.
The IA is for what?
IA was, I had put the property, one of the properties, Palgar, for auction. That auction has failed. So that IA has become infructuous for that, and that's why the matter has come on there.
That auction was in process, so you must have started.
Yes.
My friend took my role. I am the dominant citizen.
No, I just pointed out the preliminary objection.
I am the master of the proceedings. Explain.
That was on 30th of July.
Sorry?
30th of July.
This.
And your lordship, there is one more order which I want to place on record. In the present writ petition itself, when one of the residential properties was sought to be taken possession of, they had moved the IA.
So any fresh auction notice issued?
It is not as yet issued, your lordships.
So we close this IA because auction has failed. Now,
one more order, your lordship. You will see this matter itself, where the interim relief was rejected in this present petition only, when we had sought to take possession of the residential flat. Same grounds, your lordship. Now the only situation is that we have put another property for auction. Allegations are the same. There is no amendment to the petition. Only IA is moved saying that this property is now put for auction. Earlier reliefs have been rejected. That's my preliminary objection.
You see, when petitioner starts something, thereafter my friend can object to it. Anyway, I don't take that. My friend has primarily raised 2 objections. One is, my petition is barred by, it didn't say in so many words, the doctrine of Procedural is stopped. Second, my friend has said, I have an alternative forum, BRT. This is the sum and substance of what my friend has said. But the doctrine of Procedural apply. Procedural pro veritate accipitum. Restituicata pro veritate accipitum. Restituicata pro veritate accipitum. Something which is judicially decided as to be treated as truth. And there are 2 reasons. This is from Ulpian. Indoresto Republico ut sit finit litium. It is in the interest of the Republic that there shall be finality of litigation. And there is another reason is, namo debet instructari pro uno et non cosa. No man shall be vexed on the same question more than once. So therefore, the Ulpian said, that is, Ulpian is one of the 5 jurists who lived in the 2nd and 1st centuries. Based on the Justinian's code, digest primarily based on the writings of five jurists: Ulpian, Papinian, Morosinos. Morosinos is the son of Ulpian, then Gaius, and one more. Ulpian, Morosinos, Papinian, Gaius, yes. So therefore this concept, this is the foundation of the legal system. So the doctrine of res judicata is a the concept of the doctrine of res judicata is founded in the two principles: the public interest, interest to republico ut sit finitio. It is in the interest of the republic there shall be finality of litigation. Dr. Bruce's legal maxim is there, it is all. And the second principle is namo dabet disrexari pro uno et illam cosa. Therefore, my lord, the concept is if a court has adjudicated something on facts, right or wrong, it is final and binding. So the doctrine of the res judicata apply there, where there is a adjudication on merits, adjudication on facts. Again, I am quoting Ulpian. Res judicata facit ex albo nigrum, ex negro album, ex facto album.
We are fixing the matter for admission hearing. You file your application.
I'll file it.
We'll close this.
The IA can be closed.
No, not now. About my primary petition is.
With liberty to you.
Yes, my primary petition today is, I am a 77-year-old man. I am entitled to. I am asking for restoration of the possession from my home. And why I make this plea is, what the statute, I will take your worship to the MSM media very briefly only. What the statute has conferred to me, which is undeniable and plain. May I take your worship because my friend interrupted and therefore to get to different courts. May I take you the MSM media? Very briefly. Very briefly, page 70, my lord, MSM media. My friend is here.
21.
Yes, my lord, there are two things which is paramount in my life. I will never respect an order from anyone which might not deserve. And the only priority God is I don't take anything which is not good. I must take brief, ethically justified. Correct. That is my prayer. Yes. So I never respect any order from a God which my client is not entitled. Yes. Now I will take your worship to page 70. Page 70. Framework for revival and rehabilitation of micro, small and medium enterprises. SO number, the Worship God Medal, page 70. SO number, etc. dated 29th of May 2025. 29th of May 2015. 29th of May 2015. In exercise of the powers conferred in Section 9 of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act of 2006, the central government, for the purpose of facilitating the promotion and development of micro, small and medium enterprises, hereby notifies these instructions for the framework for revival and rehabilitation of micro, small and medium enterprises, which shall come into force, etc. Now, my lord, para 1. Identification of incipient stress. Before a loan account of a micro, small and medium enterprise turns into a non-performing asset, banks or creditors are required to identify incipient stress in the account by creating 3 subcategories under the special mention account category as given in the table below. Number 1, a special mention account. SMA 0. Principal or interest payment not overdue for more than 30 days. But account showing signs of incipient stress. Now I take your worship to the RBI notification.
Just one. You have filed an IA to stay the auction.
No, restoration of possession.
This is, where is the prayer?
There is no prayer in the petition.
Where is the prayer?
It is my friend may not have a copy. I'm giving 7866 of 2025. My good friend will say, I've been on ether for pretty long time. 78, I give 7866 of 2025. Yes. That is restored today. I will give you my copy to my friend. The prayer is to restore back. Yes.
Right, and what is this application is regarding the? So have you received?
No, I have not got this copy. I will file a reply to this.
Just a minute,
Yes.
So what we'll do is we'll dispose of this matter.
Yes.
And this one let him file.
Yes.
दीजिए इसमें लिखिए this one this is stamp number I think 25544 Mr. का नाम लिखिए Solar Council for the response number 1 2 and submits that although the auction of the property was fixed on 30th of July 2025 the same as paid therefore and at this moment, no further auction notice has been initiated on behalf of the banks.
No, we are asking for restoration. 77-year-old.
Just a minute. We'll address it.
Yes.
Therefore, this interim application has become infructuous. Mr. Nadulpan and counsel for the opposite party petitioner does not dispute the same. In view of the above, this IA stands closed as infructuous. And in the other IA, which is IA number 7866 of 2025, you see right there, Mr. Nadulpan and counsel for the applicant submits that his client has been dispossessed of the property without
Residential home. Residential
property without following the due process of law. Therefore, the prayer in this IA is for restoration of possession. Responding to the above, Mr. Swensu and counsel for the
No, I will give my office copy of copy. I take
copy of
I take it for photocopy. Just get it.
The applicant's counsel has served a copy of the IA to Mr. Swensu during the proceeding of this, during the proceeding held before this court. As such, of the request of Mr. Swensu, 2 weeks' time is granted to him to file objection. The IA will be taken up for consideration on whatever the convenient date. Yes. What is your convenient date?
No, any Wednesday.
Huh?
Any Wednesday.
Any Wednesday. Wednesday is auspicious.
No, Monday and Friday I am out of station.
Oh,
I am in Kerala, I am in Delhi. So,
Wednesday. Wednesday will be 24th of September. 24th of September.
yes.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Books to be written.
Take care.